The accuracy and stability of the temperature control system are crucial for maintaining sample integrity during centrifugation. Temperature control accuracy. Temperature range. Range typically offers a broad temperature control range from -20 degrees C to +40 degrees C. Importance. Suitable for a wide variety of applications, requiring precise temperature settings. Precision. Accuracy. Temperature control is usually precise to within ±0.1 degrees C. Importance. Ensures consistent and reproducible results. Set point stability. Stability maintains the set temperature consistently throughout the centrifugation process. Importance. Prevents sample degradation and ensures the integrity of the samples. Temperature control stability. Cooling speed. Speed capable of reaching the desired temperature quickly, often within minutes. Importance. Saves time and allows for immediate use. Thermostatic control system. Advanced thermostatic control systems monitor and adjust the temperature in real time. Importance. Ensures the temperature remains constant despite external changes. Uniformity. Uniformity maintains uniform temperature distribution throughout the chamber. Importance. Guarantees that all samples are subjected to the same temperature conditions. Alarm systems. Notification. Some models include alarm systems to alert users of deviations from the set temperature. Importance. Ensures timely intervention and prevents sample loss. The temperature control system of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is both accurate and stable, crucial for maintaining sample integrity during centrifugation. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding temperature control accuracy and stability, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.